Buckets of rain, buckets of tears, got all them buckets coming out of my ears. Buckets of moonbeams in my hand. You got all the loving, honey, baby, I can't stand. Hey there, I'm Jimmy Dillon. Continuing on with our Bob Dylan lessons. This is a song from, I believe it's Blood on the Tracks. It's called Buckets of Rain, and I remember when I first heard this song I thought, oh my god, it's just so simple but so cool, and it's got it all in there. The lyrics come through. That's what I love about Bob Dylan's writings. By the way, if you like what you're hearing and you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to my my channel down below. Hit the button. Also, send me a comment, request, whatever you got. Anyway, this is in the key of E, and it's got 3 chords. It's another 3-chord wonder, right? This one I do a little finger picking. You can do it with a pick, but I'm gonna finger pick it because that's the way I think he did it. I think I'm trying to remember who's on guitar, and then I'll think of it in a second. So anyway, we're just gonna do a little simple. So you just take the E, A, and if you want, you can pick up that F sharp with your pinky. Oh, kind of pull off. And I'm doing, you see it on the E chord, I'm doing a little. I'm playing an E sus. I'm working off an E sus with my pinky. So I got my regular E chord, okay? And I'm tucking that pinky under on the G string and pulling it off. So by pulling that A note to an A flat, which is in the your A flat there. So 2nd fret, pinky underneath. What I like about that is it's kind of an interior melody. It kind of gives you a prelude to the actual melody of the verse, which I'm always a big fan of. Buckets of rain, buckets of tears, got all the buckets coming out of my ears. Hey, buckets of moonbeams in my hand. B, you got all the loving. Hey, honey, baby, I can't stand. Okay, so that's basically the verse form. He just, in true Bob Dylan style, he just kind of does each verse a little bit different. There is a turnaround though, where he goes, now that's a little bit more advanced than we normally do on these, but I want to show you the lick just in case, and you can, I'll do a more detailed version of all these songs later, but what I want to show you on that one is it's basically a B walk down, go to the 5 chord, so a B chord looks like that, right? A B bar chord. But in this one we do what I call a partial. We call these partials. So it's basically just 2 notes. You slide up to it an E flat here on the G string. And then you put your first finger on the B note of the high E string. Sounds like this. So what essentially you're really doing is you're spelling out 2 notes of the B chord, and the same thing 2 frets down, okay? And then you do this one here where you do a B note on the G string, and the 3rd finger goes on the G sharp, which is the 4th fret on the E string. So 4th fret G string, 2nd finger, 4th fret E string, 3rd finger. Then pull that down 2 frets, and then land on your E. This will make a lot of sense to you in context, but this gets used a lot. So I'm pulling off. I'm sliding up, and then pulling off. So I did that, and then pull off again, Now I know again that's a little bit advanced, but here's how it sounds like in context. Okay, so that's Buckets of Rain by Bob Dylan, and I'll give you a little example. I'm going to kind of run through the whole changes, the verse, and a little turnaround. I've been weak, strong like an oak, seen pretty people go up in smoke. Friends will arrive, friends will disappear. If you want me, honey, baby, I'll be there. Little red wagon, little red bike, ain't no monkey, but I know what I like. Like the way you love me, strong and slow. Taking you with me, honey, baby, when I go. Buckets of rain, buckets of tears, I got all them buckets coming out of my ears. Buckets of moonbeams in my hand. You got all the loving, honey, baby, I can stand. What a classic song. I just love that song. And if you like what you're seeing, please hit subscribe. Visit me, leave a comment, and we're going to continue on with Jimmy Dillon Teaches Bob Dylan. Thank you, Mom, for the name Dillon. It worked out well for a guitar player, Jimmy Dillon. All right, we'll see you down the road. If you want the complete blueprint for this song, including tabs, chords, and more, go to jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's completely free, and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier. Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it'd mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.